The Utah real estate market has officially cooled down. So the question is, are we in the middle of it or just getting started? My name is Peyton Clancy Fairbanks and welcome to my show. So today I just want to go over a couple of pieces of information. The first one is a news article that I saw, and the second one is some Utah real estate market stats just in general. So the article, the housing slowdown is here. A couple of the interesting things that it's talking about is that Jerome Powell just introduced another 0.7% interest rate hike this last Wednesday. Signed contracts to buy homes has dropped 8.6% compared to a month ago. This is the slowest pace we've seen since September of 2011. Mortgage applications are at their lowest since they've been since February of 2000. 20% of builders have lowered their prices, and all of this is indicating that we are in the middle of a cool down. Absolutely. The question is, are we in the middle of it where we're going to start getting cooler and cooler, or are we in the middle of it where it's going to start leveling out, or we're going to get used to the cool that we're in right now? Places that have had the largest population growth, everything like that, are the places we're starting to see cool down the most. Pieces like Salt Lake City, Denver, Tacoma, Boise. These are the places that saw the largest population increase, the largest increase in home values. They're going to be the places that see the largest cool down. And so as we go into it, what does this mean? What does this look like the next 6 months for Utah? What do the stats in Utah actually look like? One, supply is up by about 160%, all the way up above 9,000 listings. At the height of the pandemic, it was all the way down to 2,000. A year ago, it was about at 3,000. And then demand is down about 21%, or 1,500 homes less are under contract as compared to a year ago. These are levels kind of back in 2015, 2016. The largest indicator, if we're going to start seeing a large price decrease, is going to be the homes that are withdrawn and the off-market homes. If homes leave the marketplace but are not sold because they were decreased in price, that's going to make it so we're less likely to have sharp price decreases like we saw back in 2008. So withdrawn homes have increased by 62%, or up by 300 homes, and withdrawn off-market homes have increased by about 12.7%, or up about 80. These aren't huge numbers right now, but they're numbers you should be watching over the next 6 months because they'll be a key indicator showing what's going to kind of happen. And then lastly, sold homes are about 11.64% less as compared to about a year ago. So in 2022, 24,440 homes sold. In 2021, that number was 27,000. In 2020, 27,000, 2019, 26,000. So this home isn't the same except for compared to 2015, 24,663. So demand is as low as it was back in 2015. So we are in the middle of a cool down. Nobody really knows what's going to happen, but some of those indicators that you're going to be noticing are what's going to cause the prices to decrease, and that's simply people selling their homes for less than what they were valued at a year ago. We're not seeing as much as you might expect right now. We are seeing price decreases. I have a listing right now that is going to sell for probably less than what its counterpart sold for back in January. So how far down will this keep going? That's just a question that nobody's really going to have any answers to. But the next 6 months will give you a better idea of what and where we're going. If we're at a cool down, we're going to start leveling out, or if we still got 6 months, a year of cooling down that needs to happen. If you found any of this information useful, please feel free to reach out to me. If you found any of this information to be something that you might use in the future, please give this channel a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you need a free home valuation, let me know. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.